Oh my Lord. I ain't never been so excited to eat some chicken legs. We got them clean, gotta dry them off. Make sure they get crispy. We're gonna do a dry salt brine. So now we go ahead and put a dry brine on here. Got that diamond crystal kosher salt. These are gonna be quite delicious. Man, I got a taste for some chicken legs. Barbecue sauce. We're just gonna let it sit in the refrigerator uncovered overnight. I'm gonna see y'all outside tomorrow. We're gonna make our own custom barbecue grill. First thing I'm gonna start with, we gonna make it sweet, right? Let's do about 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, tablespoons of onion powder, tablespoon garlic powder, paprika, 2 tablespoons of that. Got chili powder. Well, I guess now tablespoon and a half since some fell in there already. Quarter of that.
What is that?
Mustard. Thank you. Thank you for reminding me. Black pepper. Go ahead and rock a tablespoon of that. Let's do maybe a 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric. We ain't putting no salt in it because most of our meats we like to brine overnight. Mix it up, get it looking pretty. Pretty cool there. Shoot. These chicken legs have dry brine overnight. Let's get a little oil on here. Bind them and help them crisp up a little more. Yeah. Seasoning all over here. It's gonna be delicious. I just got off work and I am hungry. Yeah, with that flavor everywhere, get that flavor. I think that looks good. We're gonna use this contraption today. Look like we may know what we're doing. We got a dozen of these bad boys. Little hanging action, okay? It's time to playing now. Oh yeah. These are hanging pretty. We're about to take this outside and see what it is. All right, folks, we got us a combination of hickory and apple this time.
Nice.
I like how that look. So check this out. We're just gonna go ahead and let it go for about 2 hours. We ain't gonna do no looking. We're just gonna sauce it. Try to get it up to, it said 185 degrees. We just about to let it do its thing. All right, we got it at we got the temperature raised up to 275. We opened up some vents. You know what we're gonna use? We got some Memphis Belle sweet and smoky sauce. Shawana's job gave her. They had a catering at their job, and we got Memphis Belle sweet and smoky sauce.
Mission barbecue.
Mission barbecue. All right, we're gonna try it out. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Right now they roll it at about 170 degrees. We're gonna do what the directions say. Cook these at 185 degrees.
It smells so good.
We coating them, baby. We coating them.
Coating them.
This drumstick attachment is working out pretty well. I'm gonna get these about 15 minutes. I'm gonna fix some French fries. And I'm eating these. Oh my Lord. I ain't never been so excited to eat some chicken legs. Let's see if we follow the directions. Did we follow the directions?
Me. To the tizzy.
Time to come out. Man. Chicken legs. Ooh. So I'm gonna let them cool off, y'all. Throw some more of this sauce on there. Man, these are looking good. These are looking good. These are looking good. See, I'm from Chicago. How we go here and order, like, yo, let me get a large chicken leg dinner. Yo, make sure them fries are crispy. And give me extra sauce. This is from Mission's Barbecue.
Yeah.
You know, that you got from your job.
Yeah, I know. What's the name?
Sweet and Smoky Memphis Belle.
Hey.
Hey.
Give it a...
Hey. Let's see what we got here.
Ooh.
Boy, oh boy. Applewood. Man. Man, it's so tender. Now I see what they say. Cook it to 185 degrees. I gotta get me another one. Y'all gotta try this. I don't care if you got a gas grill, a little Weber grill. Get on outside and smoke these. Just follow directions. 185 degrees. For whatever favorite rub you want to do. Y'all stay blessed. I appreciate y'all watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment. I appreciate y'all. Oh man, y'all. Man, I ain't know I was going to eat that much.